Hey everybody, welcome back to Learning to DIY. Today we're going to unbox the Icon Professional Ratchet Flex Head 92 3/8 inch drive. I actually had to replace a ratchet that I broke. I had another one that it's still missing, but I think it was like a companion, kind of a very basic brand, but it worked great. I just couldn't find it. I actually found a different 3/8 drive ratchet after I purchased this one, and that one actually came out of a return from a tool truck that a vendor at work was kind enough to let me have, and I had forgotten about it and bought this to replace the one that I broke and the one that I can't find, and here we are opening the Flex Head 92 Icon Professional Ratchet, because they did have a coupon. Actually all their ratcheting wrenches were on sale, so I picked this up. It seemed like a pretty good deal, and it's funny how a 1/4 inch, and I don't know if it's just because of the metal involved, how much metal they use, but it's like a 1/4 inch is cheaper than a 3/8, and a 3/8 is cheaper than a 1/2 inch drive. So either way, happy to have it. I thought it was way more necessary than it was, but here we are. Alright, let's see. I wonder if I could do this without ripping any paper. Oh, it is. It's going to slide right out. Okay. Oh, there it is. The Icon. Okay. I like that. You know, this holder, looks sturdy. It feels sturdy. What is this? Is this like a pouch to keep your professional ratchet in? Boy. Or is it a polishing cloth for your chrome vanadium steel? Really? That's interesting. Alright. Oh, a free piece of cardboard. I guess that's wow, fancy. Okay, you've got your box to keep your Icon ratchet in, and then you've got your piece of cardboard to make sure that your Icon little polishing cloth doesn't wrinkle. Ooh, so fancy. But not that I care about fingerprints, you guys. It's hoity-toity. Nobody cares. Alright, let's see. Oh, it is made in Taiwan, not Vietnam. Taiwan-made tools are good. I mean, even Snap-on's off-brand Blue Point has stuff made in Taiwan, so. And these are all supposed to be like copies of Snap-on anyway for a cheaper price. Designed by Icon in the USA, so it's a USA design, yeah, but by who? And manufactured in Taiwan, distributed by Harbor Freight out of California. And this is item 58592, and it's funny, it says actual size. Yeah, I know, because it's in the box. Okay, 92th gear-to-gear mechanism produces a tight 4-degree arc swing for easy work in small places. I think that this one is actually, I believe, without the swivel head, or without the swivel head, I believe this exact ratchet was actually tested on the not Torque Test channel, the Project Farm. I love both of those channels. I watch them a lot. But yeah, this was tested on Project Farm against the Snap-on and against a bunch of other ratchets, and it does have just like a lot of the rest of them, polished chrome finish, offset superior corrosion resistance, offers superior. Yeah, I'm not wearing my glasses again. Offers superior corrosion resistance and easily wipes clean with the provided little Icon cloth. Ooh. Comfort grip designed for reduced hand fatigue and a non-slip grip. I did want the non-slip. I'm not sure if what they tested on Project Farm was non-slip grip, but I do know that this adds just a tiny bit of beefiness down here, so your arc swing might be slightly less than one without the comfort grip. But I like it because I think it is non-slip. I think that your hands could be oily and this actually helps you grab. So yeah, I'll be using that on my next oil change. Precision machined gears provide smooth ratcheting action and withstands heavy torque well. Todd tested that on Project Farm. And I do know that this does have a little bit more back drag than, oh, that's a nice, okay, that's a nice sound. Okay, I do know that this does have a little bit more back drag than some of the other brands, but it's also, it withstands a lot of punishment. Okay, it says low profile, 180 degree flex head, allows access to most difficult reach fasteners. Of course it does. Okay. I mean, the back drag doesn't seem that bad. I wonder if that's something they fixed or something maybe the flex head does a little better. I don't know. I do like polishing. Okay, I give in. I give in to the shiny. Okay. Yeah. I wish, can this lock in? I do see a star drive to kind of tighten this. I guess you can adjust it. I don't know. I've never really messed with a flex head very much, but I wanted this because I know I do have some hard to get in places. It looks like, whoa, let's see, so if I go, so it looks like one slightly, what is that, like 3/16, 1 3/16 approximately inches. So that's pretty low profile. And yeah, I like that. It looks like you do have access here with hex key wrenches to take this off and grease it, but it looks like it's well greased. It's kind of coming out a little bit there. I don't know if you can over grease a ratchet, but I mean, it looks pretty good. So this is just an unboxing. I will test it when we get a chance. And it looks like it does have a number stamped into it. It's R2FG. R2FG, and it says 92 is right here. And do not immerse in, does that say fluids? Yeah, do not immerse in fluids. I don't care what fluid you have, don't immerse it in fluids. Well, that's good to know. What if you have to work on something underwater? Are there underwater ratchets? I have so many questions. Okay. Anyway, that's okay. We'll just do it. I guess it goes that way. All right. Well, I guess. Oh, it was this way. Either way, what I'll do is I'll take this plastic piece out of the box and just use that to store it in my toolbox. It just seems like a good way to keep it nice until I need to change oil. And yeah, we'll do that one of these days. I will be showing you how to change oil on a couple different cars at some point, because that's also a project. All right, well, thanks for joining me for the unboxing and learning with me. We didn't test it this time, but it'll get plenty of use, and we'll probably show those things. Thanks so much.